Yes. Did you all finish your homework? Students attending online, switch on your videos. Aravinda and then Raghav, why are you attending it online today? Okay. Can you please send your homework in the WhatsApp group if you have any? Online students have to send it by today. இன்னைக்கு அனுப்பலனா நாளைக்கு கேட்பேன் ஏன் அனுப்பல அப்படினு சொல்லி. சரிங்களா? What about you people? Only 2 sums you had doubt. Completed. Okay. What are the sums that you had doubt? Okay, we'll discuss in the last 5 minutes those sums. Okay? Did you have any doubts? Okay. Question book vechirkiya iniki? Okay. What about others? Where is? You people don't have any WhatsApp group? Okay. App la edha upload panna mudiyuma? Okay, I'll ask them to do assign something. So in that you can, I think you can upload. Okay? You need not. Right? Yes. Okay, fine. So shall we go with the concentration terms now? Okay. So first concentration term, no yaar varla. Inge 3 பேர் இருக்காங்க. சிதேஷ் நேத்து 3 பேர் தான் இருந்தீங்க, 4 பேர் தான் இருந்தீங்க இல்லையா? கரெக்டா இருக்கு. ஓகே, ஃபைன். நியூ ஸ்டூடண்ட் மட்டும் இன்னும் வரல. சொல்லுப்பா. Normality. First நான் அப்படியே லைனா தான் சொல்லிட்டு வரேன். We'll see one by one. So molarity is nothing but it's represented with the symbol capital M. This is equal to number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liters. What is molarity? Number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liters. So this is equal to number of moles of solute if the volume of solution is given in ml, it should be in liters only. அப்ப நீ என்ன பண்ணலாம், divided by 1000 பண்ணனா லிட்டருக்கு கன்வெர்ட் ஆயிடும். So what you can do here, divided by 1000. So this is equal to number of moles of solute into 1000 divided by volume of solution in ml. So this will be the formula you use if the volume of solution is given in milliliters. Is that clear? Okay. So இதுதான் molarity-க்கு நம்ம பார்க்க வேண்டியது. Okay, இப்போ இதுல ஒரு twist. Number of moles of solute எப்படி சொல்லுவீங்க? Given mass of solute by molar mass of solute into volume of solution in ml, numerator la into 1000. Clear? Is that clear? Number of moles என்ன இதுவா? Given mass by molar mass. அப்ப number of moles of solute is equal to given mass of solute by molar mass of solute. That's it. Is that clear? Fine. So this is called as your molarity. Any doubt? அது V relate பண்ணிக்கோடா, இதுதானே இங்க இருந்து வருது. கரெக்ட்டா இல்லையா? Is that clear? Fine. ஜெனரலா molarity இப்ப எப்படி சொல்லலாம் அப்படினா 2m solution அப்படினு சொல்றோம். 2m solution na என்ன? So what is molarity? It's nothing but moles of solute per liter of solution. Correcta? Number of moles of solute per liter of solution. அப்ப 2m solution நான் எப்படி எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் பண்ணலாம்? 2 mole per liter of solution, which is 2 moles of solute in 1 liter of solution. This is what we understand from this, right? If I just give you 2m solution, what do you understand from that? It is 2 mole per liter. Numerator la irukka mole edha denote panadhu? As per the formula, it denotes number of moles of solute. Denominator irukka volume edha represent panadhu? Volume of the solution in liters, and that is it. Clear? Done? Have you all noted it down? Aravind, Raghav, Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall we go to the next part? Molality. It's represented with the small m. This is equal to what? Number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kg. அதாவது per kilogram of solvent க்கு எவ்வளவு number of moles of solute இருக்குன்னு சொல்றது தான் your molality. Is that clear? So this you could write it as how? If suppose number of moles of solute we have written, if suppose the mass of solvent is in grams, then I will divide it by 1000, so it gets converted to kilogram. So 1000 goes to the numerator. Is that clear? 1000 goes to the numerator. That's it. So this is how we, a number of moles of solute is equal to given mass of solute by molar mass of solute into mass of solvent in grams into 1000. This is given mass. This is molar mass. Is that clear? Now, if they tell you 2m solution, what do you mean by that? It means 2 mole per kg. Correct? What do you mean by that? 2, expand this 2 mole per kg, எப்படி expand பண்ணுவ? 2 moles of what? 2 moles of solute in 1 kg of solvent. Is that clear? So it is nothing but 2 moles of solute in 1 kg of solvent. Any doubts with this? ஏதாவது doubt இருக்கா? இல்ல. Fine. Please note it down. Shall we go to the next one? So next one is weight by weight percentage. What do you mean by weight percentage? Weight of solute by weight of solution into 100. Is that clear? What do you mean by weight percentage? It is weight of solute by weight of solution into 100. Okay, அதாவது எப்படின்னா இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 10 கிராம் ஆஃப் சொல்யூஷனில் 5 கிராம் ஆஃப் சொல்யூட் இருக்குன்னா யூ ஹேவ் டு கிவ் தட் இன் ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் பர்சன்டேஜ். இந்த ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் பர்சன்டேஜ் கொடுக்கணும்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நீ வந்து அவுட் ஆஃப் 25 15 மார்க்ஸ் ஸ்கோர் பண்ணியிருக்க, கன்வெர்ட் இட் டு பர்சன்டேஜ்னா என்ன பண்ணுவ? 15 by 25 into 100. That is what you do, right? Same thing you are doing here. Ratio between weight of solute க்கு solution க்கு நடுவுல percentage என்னன்னு சொல்றோம். அது weight by weight percentage. So suppose if they give you 20% weight by weight of solution அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்கன்னா, what do you mean by this? This 20% you can write it 20 by 100. Weight by weight percentage na numerator இருக்க weight எதை denote பண்ணுது? solute ஓட weight. Denominator இருக்கிறது denotes the solution. How do I say this? It's from the formula. So how do you say now? 20 grams of solute in 100 grams of solution. Is that clear? So 20% எழுதுறோம். 20% you can write in fraction like this. And then what do you say? 20 gram of solute in 100 grams of solution. Clear?
So 20 grams of solute in 100 grams of solution. How இதை திருப்பி மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுமா?
இது வந்து கொடுத்துருக்கிறது வந்து நீ சிம்பிளஸ்ட் ரேஷியோ எடுத்திருக்க. ஆக்சுவலாக எனக்கு 100 கிராம் இல்லாமல் கூட இருந்திருக்கலாம், 50 grams ஆஃப் சொல்யூஷன் எடுத்துருக்கலாம். பட் இந்த ரிலேஷன் வச்சு யூ கேன் ஈஸிலி ஐடென்டிஃபை தட் இன் 100 gram ஆஃப் சொல்யூஷன் ஐ ஹவ் காட் 20 grams ஆஃப் சொல்யூட். ஸோ இன் 50 grams ஐ would have got what? 10 grams ஆஃப் சொல்யூட். ஆமாம், ஆல்ரெடி இருக்கு பர்சன்டேஜா. அதில் வந்து நான் எனக்கு தேவையான டீட்டெயிலை how am I able to grab it, how am I going to grab it, அப்படி தான் நம்ம பார்க்கணும். We should see how are we going to grab the needed detail from this. Just 20% weight by weight. Okay, percentage கொடுத்துருங்க. What do you understand from it? You understand that if there is 100 gram of solution, it will have 20 gram of solute. If there is 50 gram, then it will have 10 gram. Is that clear? So that is what I understand from this. Clear? Is that clear? Okay, shall we go to the next part? First முடிச்சிடுறேன் நான், ஃபார்முலாஸ் கொடுத்து முடிச்சிடுறேன், then we'll do. Normality இப்போ இல்லை, கடைசியாக normality. First we'll finish all these. Do you all know how to balance chemical equations? Do you all know how to balance chemical equations? So get ready for that. Tomorrow when you come, please do revise balancing chemical equations and come. Clear? It is required to read stoichiometry. Okay, shall we go to the next concept? Okay. So என்ன மேம் ஃபார்முலாவாக சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கீங்க? It's very simple. ஃபார்முலா படிக்கும்போது டீட்டெயில்டாக வாட் இஸ் வாட்ன்றதை படிச்சிட்டிங்கன்னா then solving problems will become much easier. Clear? So now weight by weight volume percentage na weight of solute by volume of solution into 100. If suppose if I give you 20% weight by volume percentage, what do you mean by this? What do you mean by this? First you should write in fraction, correct? 20 by 100. Then
in 20 grams of solute there is 100 liters of solution.
100 ml of solution. Is that clear? அப்படி போடலாம். நீ 20 kilogram of solute in 100 liters னு எடுத்து. Doesn't make much difference. Same ratio only you will get. Huh? Gram எடுத்தனா அது ml இருக்கணும். இது கிலோகிராம்னா அது லிட்டர்னு இருக்கலாம். Clear? Is that clear pa? Okay. So that is what we understand. So 20 gram of solute in 100 ml of solution. Next, volume by volume percentage. This is nothing but volume of solute by volume of solution into 100, which means like 20% volume by volume percentage is equal to 20 by 100, which is 20 ml of solute in 100 ml of solution. Is that clear? So we have got what? 20 ml of solute in 100 ml of solution. Any doubts with this?
For example, ml means ml volume by volume.
யூஸ் பண்ணுறதில்ல ஜென்ரலாக. தீஸ் ஆர் தி த்ரீ. போடணுன்னா போடலாம், நத்திங் ராங். இல்லை, அந்த ரிலேஷன் ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். வால்யூம் பை வெயிட்னா வெயிட் ஆஃப் சொல்யூஷனில் வால்யூம் ஆஃப் சொல்யூட் என்னன்னு நீ பார்க்கணும். இந்த வால்யூம் பை வால்யூம் பர்சன்டேஜ் யூஸ் ஒன்லி ஃபார் லிக்விட். சொல்யூட் டு லிக்விட், சால்வெண்ட் டு லிக்விட்னா நம்ம இதை யூஸ் பண்ணும். ஓகே, நம்மளுக்கு சால்வெண்ட் கண்டிப்பாக சாலிடாக இருக்க வாய்ப்பு இல்லை. கரெக்டாக இல்லையா? இப்போ நீ வால்யூம் பை வெயிட் பர்சன்டேஜ் இஃப் யூ ஆர் சேயிங், வாட் யூ மீன் பை தட்? weight of solvent or weight of solution you will have to say. Correct? Appo if the solvent is a liquid, first you will know the volume, then if you know the density, from in substituting volume in that you will find out mass, and only then you can calculate this.
But it is possible.
You can do anything you want, but this we generally don't prefer for calculations. It's complicated. Clear?
But would it be used for anything?
No. See, when you are doing a laboratory experiment, when you wanted to say something, all these are measurements written. Nothing but, for example, there are hydrogen peroxide solutions. Antiseptic use பண்ணுவாங்க, hydrogen peroxide solutions will be there. To clean wounds and all they do use. Adula they would have mentioned some percentage. So, when some percentage is mentioned in it, when you look at it, you should be able to understand it instantly. To understand that, you should not go for a half an hour calculation. That's not required. Correct? Easy understanding. If I say 20% weight by weight, you will understand, okay, total 100 gram, 20 gram na hydrogen peroxide. That is all I need to understand. So here I need not do a bigger calculation of finding the weight, then go to the volume and then again go. So that's a difficult task. So generally we don't use volume by weight percentage. Is that clear? Okay, fine. Now, I'll give you a few problems, try solving those, okay? Copy it down. If you have copied, kindly let me know.
For example, the volume by weight correlation சொல்றோம்னா acid is reacting on a solid, like any solid, for example metal, some metal. So the acid corrodes the metal. How much acid is required to fully corrode the metal?
That is what you are going to find out through stoichiometry. Next class, tomorrow we will see that. Stoichiometry. It's not stoichiometry. Stoichiometry, yeah. No, it's actually stoichiometry only. We used to mention, everyone mentions stoichiometry. My teachers never mentioned it as stoichiometry to me.
Stoichiometry and stoichiometric calculations.
It's stoichiometry and stoichiometric calculation. This is what I do. I don't know. If you want to prefer what your ma'am teaches in school, go with it. If you wanted to prefer what I say, go with it. But at the end of the day, please to understand the calculations of stoichiometry or stoichiometry. Doesn't matter. Tomorrow I'll teach you clearly. So they have almost completed the chapter for you. Concentration terms are not taught. So all of because stoichiometry involves these concentration terms based calculations also. முடிஞ்சிச்சா? காப்பி பண்ணியாச்சா? பாலாஜி ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக காப்பி பண்ணணும். பாலாஜி முடிஞ்சிச்சா? Fine. So next போலாம். Now I will give you some problems, basic problems first. Okay, calculate molarity of H2SO4 solution which contains 0.98 gram of H2SO4 in 250 ml of water. This is the first question. Second question is, for the same molality you have to find out. Molality of H2SO4 solution
Which contains,
which contains which contains 0.98 grams of H2SO4 in 250 ml of water, whose density is 0.098 gram per ml. Density is density of solution. In the rho symbol, we use it for density. I guess you all know that, right? Rho. In a rho, E lang kadayadu. See, these are all Greek terminologies. Alpha, beta, gamma. Where in a Greek? P na or slanted P போடுவீங்க. நான் ரொம்ப slant பண்ணிட்டேன். Like this. It goes in a single row like this. Okay. Alpha, beta, gamma, kappa, theta, where? Omega, epsilon. Where in a percentage? Epsilon. Sigma ipri. Epsilon is different from sigma. Where? Nu. Oh, other gamma. Delta. Very good. Delta. So this is alpha, A, beta, B, kappa. Psi. Pi. Sorry, இப்படி போடுவாங்க pi. This both is applicable. Pi க்கு ரெண்டுமே யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். இது phi, இது pi. Sorry. Phi, pi. Then what else? போதுமா? Okay, so these are all some of the Greek terminologies that we have used so far. இன்னும் இருக்கு, but we don't remember it. அவ்வளவுதான். Fine. Anyway, start solving the question that I gave you. Try பண்ணு. நான் தான் போட போறேன் எல்லா சமம் உனக்கு. நீங்க first try பண்ணு. For the same first question, also calculate weight by volume percentage. Here also calculate weight by weight percentage. What is the time? Train late, right, sir? Most of the problems are done. Concentration terms on that. You'll have to look through the recorded sessions. Sit. But if you need extra sessions, you can let them know. We can compensate those. But for being late, there won't be compensation sessions hereafter. Kada, if there are new students who has joined recently, in a class later joined panna, we can have extra sessions if you want. Okay.
First, given mass by molar mass into 100,000. Given mass is 0.98 grams. That divided by molar mass of H2SO4.
molarity la 2.5 percentage. Why? Try doing whatever you know first. 2m, capital M, unit is M, that's it. Whatever answer you are getting, put capital M accompanied by that. Kindly let me know once you finish it. Sulfur 32. Molar mass of sulfur is 32.
Oxygen
16. First do the first question alone, then I'll teach you, then you can go with the second question. Online students, have you completed any first few questions? முடிச்சிட்டீங்களா? Online இருக்க students முடிச்சிங்களா? First question. Have you all completed? Aravind, you have completed? Okay, I'll give you another 2 minutes of time. Finish it off fast for everyone.
Given mass by molar mass into 1000 மட்டும் denominatorல போடணுமா இல்ல wholeல போடணுமா?
Numeratorல தான போடணும். Formula and refer the formula for molarity.
M solute na molar mass molar mass into volume into volume
You found out number of moles, right? So that should go to the numerator. Volume of solution should come to the denominator. If it is in ml, in the numerator you will have to multiply it with 1000. That's it. Do not confuse it with this m and all. Find out the number of moles separately if you want. Then substitute in the formula. Clear?
Percentage.
Inema?
First question. Percentage. 1.9.
Okay, ma'am, 250 na denominator.
Okay. Good. Wait for some time.
250 na denominator multiply பண்ணனும்.
You are finding it very difficult, right? Okay. Let's check. So now listen here. Molarity is the first question that's been asked, right? So what do we know about it? Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liters.
4.0.
Yes, tell me.
4.0.
4.02 is the molarity that you are giving. Fine, let's check. Let's check. Just a minute. 1 minute, pa. Okay, now see here. What was the question? In the given question, what are the given data? 0. It is a solution of H2SO4. What do you understand from that first? H2SO4 solution na enna?
Diluted.
Diluted H2SO4. So you have taken H2SO4 in water. Okay, so what is the solute here? So solute is H2SO4 and the solvent is water. Only for the first question I am doing it in such a detailed manner. Then what have they given you? They have taken 0.98 grams of H2SO4 in 250 ml of water. Correct? So 0.98 grams of H2SO4 in 250 ml of water means, or just change this as 250 ml of solution. Okay, so now for finding molarity, what is the formula? Number of moles of solute by volume of solution in ml. Because here the volume is given as ml. If this is in ml, to the numerator I will have to multiply 1000 because volume should be only in liters.
Okay, only when it is in ml,
We will have to multiply, else it is not required. Now number of moles of solute. We have taken 0.98 grams of H2SO4. Right? So number of moles of H2SO4 is equal to 0.98 given mass by molar mass. So which is 0.01. Correct? This 1 time na, this 100 times per hour. Correct? So 1 by 100 it is 0.01. Clear, Balaji? Okay? Purila thane? That's fine. But ipa purinjada? 0.98 by 98 puriyalaya. Volume of solvent 98 ilakana. First, for the numerator, you need to identify the number of moles of solute, correct? So, number of moles of solute, who is the solute here? H2SO4. So, number of moles of H2SO4, which is the solute. I am identifying it separately and then substituting it in the formula. So, number of moles kanapidikira formula enna?
given mass.
Exactly. So, given mass is?
0.0.
Good. Molar mass is? Very clear. So, see 0.98 oda enna multiply panna you get 98 Balaji. Avladane. Appa idu 1 time na idu 100 times, correct?
Number of moles கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு பதிலா given mass by molar mass நான் வந்து அந்த சொல்யூட்டுக்கு நம்ம அதை சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணனும்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. நான் வந்து அந்த whole equationல சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணிட்டு நான் அதான் கேட்டேன் அப்போ 1000.
Okay, fine. So now what will you do? Number of moles of solute is 0.01 into 1000. I am substituting this in the formula. Okay. What is the volume of solution given? 250 ml of solution. So divided by 250.
So n solute தான் மோல் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்.
ஆமா, solute தான் moles கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். பா molarity என்னப்பா? Number of moles of solute taken per liter of solution. Correct? So number of, how do you express it? We say that 2 moles of that solute in that 1 liter of solution. அப்போ moles யாருக்கு எடுக்கணும்? solute தான் எடுக்கணும். இதுல வேற எந்த டவுட்டுமே வர வேண்டாம். புரியுது என்ன பேசிட்டு இருக்கோம்? Do you understand it clearly now? Okay. So now what was the next question asked? Also calculate weight by volume percentage. The question was also calculate. Do you understand Ananya, Aravinda and Raghav?
Yes.
Do you understand clearly? Raghav? Ananya? Doubts irundha dayavu seidhu kelunga. Purinjudha? So we have substituted everything. We have taken the data and we have substituted it in the formula. Clear? What about you? Number of moles, what did you get?
1 by
Which is?
0.0.
Say 1 by 100 ne vechi potinalu. The same question if I am just doing it as 1 by 100, right? Number of moles of solute into 1000 into 250. Did you do it this way? Correct? 1 by 25 என்னது? 0.04. 1 divided by 25. Correct? So இப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவ நீ? Point வச்சுட்டு 2 0 add பண்ணிக்கோ. Correct? இன்னும் second 0 add பண்ணோம்னா இங்க 0 கொண்டு வரணும். ஏன்னா அது first point. அப்போ இது என்ன டைம் 4 times அப்போ புரியுதா so answer is 0.04 m do you all understand which means it is 0.04 mole per liter clear is that clear all of you shall we go to the next part okay what is the next part we have seen about molarity fine what we are next supposed to see next is molarity முடிஞ்சிருச்சு okay weight by volume percentage so weight by volume percentage formula என்ன இதை முடிச்சற then you can copy it fully okay just a minute first listen then you can copy kana weight by volume percentage weight by volume percentage is nothing but weight of solute by volume of solution into 100 right what is the weight of solute 0.98 grams correct you have to look at the question shrewd irukanu 0.98 gram what is the volume of solution 250 ml into 100 so it is like 00 இல்லனா இத வந்து 250 you can simplify it as 25 into 10 calculation easier 125 is 25 425s are 100 correct so it is like 0.098 into 4 because 0.98 divided by 10 என்ன வரும் 0.098 right
இந்த same question க்கு நம்ம molarity
ஆமா molarity hey did you read the question properly also calculate என்ன சொல்லிருக்கேன் அப்ப formula weight by volume percentage தான போட்டுருக்கேன் கரெக்ட்டா இல்லையா அப்போ 0.098
weight by volume percentage நாலே molarity இல்ல
see molarity is a different formula weight by volume percentage is a different formula நம்ம மொத்தம் 5 formula பார்த்தோமா what are the 5 formulas that we have seen Balaji
so molarity and molarity are not related to weight by volume and weight by
no totally different these are all different ways of expressing the concentration of solution these are all different ways of expressing concentration எப்படி molarity ஒரு தனி கான்செப்டோ எப்படி molality ஒரு தனி கான்செப்டோ weight by weight percentage weight by volume
நான் வந்து yesterday notes எடுக்கும்போது நீங்க போட்டுட்டீங்களா
மொத்தம் 6 terms போட்டு
ஃபைல்ல நீங்க weight
oh
நான் அதே நினைச்சேன்
okay not a problem now do you understand fine so for 0.098 into 4 what do you get
4.0
huh எப்படி 4.0 வரும் 0.098 into 4 4 8s are 32 right
அங்க 0.
9 4s are 36 correct 36 plus 3 39 so 9 balance 3 அப்போ 0.392 so answer is 0.392 capital I'm sorry weight by weight percentage is that clear புரியுதா
இப்போ weight by volume by volume எல்லாத்துக்குமே percentage
போடலாம் டீடைல்ஸ் இருந்ததுன்னா போடலாம் volume by volume percentage வேணும்னா you need in the numerator என்ன formula what is the formula for volume you need volume of solute but that's not given here right
இல்ல எல்லாத்துக்குமே percentage தான் போடணும்
what is being asked அதுதான் volume by volume percentage னா into 100 போட்டு சொல்லணும் அவ்வளவுதான் clear we'll do one more question you will get a clarity clear okay copy down previous page la whoever has not copied it down please copy it down do you understand all of you is it very difficult அவன பாக்க உனக்கு டிஃபிகல்ட்டா இல்லையா இல்ல சிக்ஸ்ல இல்ல 3 classes தான் மிஸ் பண்ணேன் அது significant figures அது rounding of numbers அதுதான் இருக்கும் so don't worry much unit conversions mole concept மட்டும் மிஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு முக்கியமானது you look through the video you will definitely understand if you don't understand we can have one more session what about you Balaji you understand இல்ல நான் உனக்கு திரும்ப சொல்லி தரேன் நீ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் காப்பி பண்ணு copy down faster give me a notebook bring the notebook குடில அப்படியே பாஸ் பண்ணு Okay, shall we go to the next part? Let's try solving this question. What is the question? Molality of H2SO4 solution which contains what? 1 minute. Which contains same 0.98 gram of in 250 ml of water. Inga water ne thaniyave kuduthirukku. Clear? You understand what I am trying to say? Here I have not changed it to anything. I have just given water as it is. Water is a solvent. So I have given you the volume of solvent. Is that clear? Purinjada puriliya?
Water is a solid.
Solvent. What is a solvent, Balaji?
Something that can be used in a solution.
Solution edhula nee karaikriyo adudha. Okay, so here in the next question kana I am not able to erase it, I don't know why. Anyway, whose density of water is 1 gram per ml. Just remember that it's universal. Water oda density enna ஒரு ml 1 gram. அப்போ 1 liter aquafina bottle oda weight என்ன? What is the weight of 1 liter aquafina bottle? 1 ml is 1 gram. 1 kilo. Very good. 1 ml is 1 gram now. 1 liter la 1000 ml irukku. So it is 1000 grams, which is 1 kg. 1 liter water bottle oda weight full of water 1 liter irundaduna it is 1 kg.
1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter.
Ama.
So 1 liter is equal to 1 kg.
Purida? Because since 1 ml is equal to 1 gram, 1000 ml is equal to 1000 grams, which means 1 liter is equal to 1000 gram na 1 kg. So 1 kg. Clear? I'll tell you. See, molality of H2SO4 solution which contains 0.98 gram of H2SO4 in 250 ml of water and density of water is 1 gram per ml. Also, illa adu na maathiten. Okay, I'm giving density of water. Okay, na indha konjam clear ave eludren. I'll write the question here again. So what did I ask you? I'm asking you to identify molality of H2SO4 solution which contains 0.98 grams of solute or H2SO4 in 250 ml of water. Okay, density of water is equal to 1 gram per ml. Okay, also calculate weight by weight percentage from the given data. Clear? Now, Balaji, have you copied them?
First weight by weight percentage.
இல்லை என்கிட்ட கேட்டால் மொலாலிட்டி கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு அது போகிறது ஈஸி.
இல்லை மேம், because நம்ம கேட்டவே H2SO4 weight and by density formula also 250 grams weight.
Then proceed, you do. Done? So now what are we going to do? We are going to look at the formula each. What is the formula for molality?
Number of solute into 1000.
Number of moles of solute by mass of solvent. Good. In grams. அப்படி இருந்தா numeratorல into 1000. Because solvent ஓடது kilo milliliter na numerator. இப்போ நம்ம number of moles of solute கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். We have already identified the number of moles of solute. What is it, Raghav? Huh? What is the number of moles of solute? What is the solute here, Raghav? Okay. What is the mass of H2SO4 here? So what is the number of moles of solute? Number of moles of H2SO4 is equal to given mass 0.98 divided by molar mass 98. இப்போ தானே previous problemல போட்டோம். Yes or no? Raghav, are you there in the class? Aravind, Raghavla நாளையிலிருந்து come for offline classes please. Headset இப்போ தான் மாற்றியா நீ? You are wearing your headset now? I really don't know all day. 0.98 by 0.98 by 98 is equal to what? 0.01. So Balaji, we have found out what now?
Moles of solute.
So where do we substitute?
100 into
இல்ல எனக்கு புரியல. எதுக்கு 100 இப்போ வந்தது? ஃபார்முலா என்ன? molality is equal to number of moles of solute அங்க தான சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணனும்.
இல்ல
தப்பா சொல்லாத, கரெக்ட்டா சொல்லணும். What is the next? What is the mass of solvent? 250 ml னு நீ சொல்ல வந்த. That is volume of solvent which is 250 ml. But I wanted what? Mass of the solvent. How do you identify? Volume கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, mass கேக்குறாங்க. எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம்? Using density. Density is equal to என்னது? Mass by volume. Density of solvent 1 gram per ml, which means what do you mean by that? 1 ml is 1 gram. So இது 1 gram per ml, mass தெரியாது, volume is 250. Yes, exactly. So mass is equal to 250 grams.
If they give another solvent without density,
இந்த problem பண்ண முடியும். வேற ஏதாவது ஒரு டீடைல் இருக்கும். சரிங்களா? So here it is 250 grams. Then you can, what is the answer again? The same answer, 0.04 small m. What do you mean by that? 0.04 mole per kg. Clear? That is a unit. Now, what is the weight by weight percentage? What is the formula? Aravind, tell me the formula for weight by weight percentage. Tell me the formula for weight by weight percentage. Weight of solute by weight of solution into 100. Okay, now have you copied it down? ஒரே நிமிஷம், என்னாச்சு? ஏன் திரும்ப பார்த்துட்டு இருக்க?
இல்ல மேம், எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் என்ன சொல்றாங்க, நான் ரொம்ப ஸ்லோவா தான் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணுவேன்.
That is fine, that is fine. I am asking you what is your doubt?
இல்ல டவுட் இல்ல, நான் ஜஸ்ட் இப்ப பார்க்கறேன் 0.04 m வருது. சோ இந்த நார்மல் மோலார் கால்குலேட் பண்ணும்போது
மொலாரிட்டிக்கு கேபிட்டல் M போடுவோம், மொலாரிட்டிக்கு ஸ்மால் m வி போடுவோம்.
அதான் ஜஸ்ட் நான் சும்மா
ரெஃபர் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். ஓகே. Done. Now what they have asked you? Weight by weight percentage, which is weight of solute by weight of solution into 100. What is the weight of solute? 0.98. What is the weight of solution? ஏன்னா solution, weight of solution is equal to what? Solute plus weight of solvent. ரெண்டும் ஆட் பண்ணணும். Weight of solute வந்து 0.98. Weight of solvent வந்து 250 grams. அப்போ 0.98 plus 250 into 100. Is that clear? Is that clear? So if you solve for that, you will easily get the answer.
So whenever we take weight of solution, it implies that we are taking weight of solvent plus weight of solution.
அவ்வளவுதான். Weight of solute.
Weight of solvent plus weight of solution.
Final answer என்ன வந்து calculate பண்ணியா? இது நீ வந்து அப்படியே ஃபுல் கால்குலேஷன் போடணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. approximate 250, 100 by 250 pota, what is the answer that you got? 0.4. 100 by 250 pota, you get the answer as what? 0.4, because 100 by 250, correct? This 10 taniya vachko, 25 into 10 pichu, 25 fours are 100, so which is 0.4, correct? I am telling you what. இப்போ இதில் எனக்கு அடிஷனில் இருக்குது 250.98 வந்து இட்ஸ் நாட் தட் பிக் வேல்யூ, கரெக்டாக? 250.98னா 251. இப்போ 100 by 250 0.4னா 100 by 251 வந்து 0.4க்கு கொஞ்சம் கம்மியாக இருக்கும் வேல்யூ. எஸ் ஆர் நோ? ஐ எம் டெல்லிங் யூ அகெயின் ஹியர், லிசன். 100 by 250 இஸ் 0.4, correct? So 100 by 251 will be
0.3.
அவ்வளோதான், கொஞ்சம் கம்மியாக இருக்கும். டினாமினேட்டர் வேல்யூ ஜாஸ்தியானா டோட்டல் வேல்யூ கம்மியாகும். அப்ராக்சிமேட்ல இட் வில் பி 0.39. இல்லை இல்லை இல்லை, இப்போ இது எப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ, இது புரியுதா? Now we will go into the calculation, which is 0.98 into 100 divided by 0.98 plus 250. This was the calculation, right? So இது 250.98 நான் 251 வச்சுக்கிறேன். Clear? 0.98 into 100, right? Now if you cancel for this, you approximately write it as 0.39. புரிஞ்சுதா? Is that clear? Just now we wrote 100 by 251 is 0.39, correct? Now what do you have to do? You have to just multiply 39 and 98 and 98 ரெண்டு நம்பர் கம்மி, ஒன்று தானே இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆயிருக்கு. 90, இப்போ நான் ப்ராப்பர் கால்குலேஷனே போட்டு சொல்கிறேன் எவ்வளோ வரும். 100 divided by 251 exactly 0.39. ஆமாம். இப்போ if it is நீ சொன்னபடி 0.90, ஓகே, 98 divided by 251 அதுவும் 0.39. ஓகே, ஃபைன். ஸோ ஆன்சர் வந்து இப்போ what he is saying is, மேம் இது இப்படி போடாதீங்க, ஆன்சர் வந்து 98 by 251 போட்டுக்கோங்க, இட் வில் பி 0.39. ஏன்னா நீ திரும்ப 0.39 அப்ராக்சிமேட்டாக 1க்கு தான் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறோம். 0.98 ரவுண்ட் ஆஃப் பண்ணால் என்ன வரும்? எனக்கு 1 தான் வரும். ஸோ அதே தான் வரும். தட்ஸ் வாட் ஐ எம் சேயிங். ஸோ யூ வில் கெட் த சேம் ஆன்சர். கிளியர்? அதர்ஸ் காப்பி என்ன புரியல? சரி சரி, ஓகே, இங்கே பாரு, 100 by 250 போட்டால் எனக்கு 4 வரும், 0.4, கரெக்டா? இப்போது மேலேயும் வேல்யூ ரிடியூஸ் ஆகி கீழே வேல்யூ இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகி, சரியா? அப்போ அப்ராக்சிமேட்டாக கிட்டத்தட்ட 0.4 நியரஸ்ட், அதாவது 0.39 தான் வரும், கரெக்டா? கரெக்டா இல்லையா? ஸோ அவ்வளோதான் அங்கே பண்ணுறோம். அப்போ இதுவும் அப்ராக்சிமேட்டாக 0.39 தான் சொல்லுவோம். அப்போ 0.98 into 100, 98. So 98 by 251 is also 0.39. That's all I am trying to say.
100 by 251 is also equal to
0.39. Clear? All of you? Understood? Fine. That's it, pa. நீங்கள் NCERT examinationsல up to 2 decimals if you give right value, that's more than enough. அவங்க more than 2 decimals மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருந்தா மட்டும்தான் it's enough if you give more than 2 decimals. But if they have correctனா correct, 1 decimal இல்லை, better up to 2 decimals. 0.39%. 0.98 ரவுண்ட் பண்ணால் என்ன கிடைக்கும்? 0.9 ரவுண்ட் ஆஃப் பண்ணால் என்ன கிடைக்கும்? 1 into 0.39 is?
Okay. அப்போ நம்ம இது round off பண்றோம். Okay ma'am. இது round off பண்றோம். 0.9 0.98 round off பண்றோம்.
ஆமா, இப்போ இதை நீ மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணினா என்ன கிடைக்கும்னா 0.39, அதுக்கப்புறம் இருக்க வேல்யூஸ் வந்து கொஞ்சம் வேற வேற மாதிரி வரும். பட் அப்ராக்சிமேட்டா 0.39 தான் உனக்கு கிடைக்க போகுது. Is that clear?
Okay ma'am, இல்ல clear, but நான் சொல்றது
I do understand, but what I told is the final thing. புரியுதா? Do you understand?
Yeah ma'am, that's what I'm just asking. 0.98 then அப்போ 1 க்கு round off பண்ணிடுவோம். So that we are telling the answer is 1 into 0.39.
Exactly. Even if you multiply 0.39 with 0.98, you will get nearest answer to 0.39 only. Clear? Fine. So shall we go to the next part?
But ஆனா நம்ம வந்து 0.1 round off பண்ணா into 0.39 பண்ணா 0.039.
0.98 round off பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? 0.1. Okay, fine pa. So that is it. So these are the calculations that involved with molarity and molality. 2 3 4 நம்ம பார்த்த subdivisionல 4 concentration terms we have seen it in 2 problems. Clear? Now what I wanted you to do is revise up to whatever is being given for you, and I'll give you some 2 homeworks alone. Finish that and come when you come for the next class. Okay? 5 concentration terms எல்லாம் முடிஞ்சிருச்சு, நார்மாலிட்டி மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. ஓகே ஃபைன்.
mole fraction
வந்துட்டேன், நாளைக்கு நடத்தேன். Tomorrow we won't be able to see stoichiometry, we'll be seeing only concentration terms. இதில் இன்னும் கன்வர்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு, அது பார்க்கணும். Calculate the molarity of. நாளைக்கு நம்ம தெரியாது. Please don't take leave tomorrow. Tomorrow a topic that I am teaching you will be little difficult. So if you understand it now, it will be very easier for you for the forthcoming chapters. Clear?
So in the round off பண்றோம்ல மேம், so throughout molarity and molarity நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி round off பண்ணிட்டு தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும் எல்லாத்துக்கும். For example the nearest
எப்பவுமே பண்ணணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை கண்ணா. ரொம்ப காம்ப்ளிகேட்டடா இருக்குன்னா பண்ணிக்கலாம். இப்போ நம்ம உனக்கு ரவுண்ட் ஆஃப் பண்றது கஷ்டமா இருக்குன்னா நீ எல்லாத்தையும் சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணி ஆன்சர் கொண்டு வரலாம். எந்த தப்பு இல்லை. ஒரு 2 minutes எக்ஸ்ட்ரா எடுத்துட்டு யூ டூ. ஒன்லி இஃப் யூ ஆர் கான்ஃபிடென்ட் வித் if you round off this would be the answer na, you go for it. If you are not confident, go with the calculation part. 2 minutes extra edukka pora, that's not a problem at all, because your chemistry paper is not going to filled with problems மட்டுமே இருக்காது. You have all theory and everything, so it doesn't matter if you spend some 2 more minutes on a problem. Clear? Fine. Here since we didn't have time, I just told you how to round off. Even for your entrance examinations, this knowledge is important. You should know how to do it.
round off பண்ணாம இன்க்ளூட் பண்ணாம அதே ஆன்சர் தான். Actually, precision and accuracy is something like that.
அது இதுல இருக்கு precision accuracy. Okay, and average பார்க்கறதா? Okay, I'll tell you tonight. Tomorrow I'll tell you. Same similar model question only I'm giving you. Okay, practice.
Second question, molarity.
Molarity. If you have finished, you can leave. You have got. பண்ணலாம். If they give you whatever it is, you can do.
அதே மாதிரி
கிவன் டேட்டாலேருந்து கிராப் பண்ணி எழுதிக்க வேண்டியது. பட் சொல்யூட்க்கு வந்து டென்சிட்டி கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க ஜென்ரல். ஏன்னா சொல்யூட் சால்வெண்ட்டுக்கு they will. Okay, fine. If you have copied, you can leave, Kanna. Thank you.
Homework conduct the app இது upload பண்ணனும்.
I go and tell them.
You can show it
Tomorrow I'll check all your homeworks. But online, offline students will have to, online students will have to upload. Tomorrow I'll check daily because tomorrow I'm going to see only concentration groups. I'll finish it faster and then do concentration. Here, in the problems, there is extra concentration. Thank you. I will. Thank you.
Is he coming?
Asking
He's coming.